Let's try using video texture. Here, I'm going to explain each settings in order to play the Add Video Texture freely. I'm going to explain on version 2.55 user interface. From here, all explanations are common when you open video or when you open consecutive pictures. I start from explaining concept, so I use Video Sequence Editor for descriptive purposes. Now the Video Sequence Editor is displayed. Playing frame is set between 1 and 200. And the video is added. Its length is 75 frames. Right now, the length of video is not enough for the length of playing frame. In video texture, locking part is covered by extending the first or the last frame of the video. Now, with this timeline, we are going to render from the frame 1 to 200. Video is played from frame 1 to 75, and after that, it displays the last frame. Now, I'm going to explain starting frame item and offset item. Starting frame item shows to where we move the video on timeline. Let's set starting frame at 30. During the empty frame from 1 to 29, the first picture of video will be displayed. Next, let's see offset item. In this item, you can insert keyframe. Offset item decides from which frame of video to start playing. Let's say we don't need the first half of the imported video. I delete first 25 frames of the video. Set offset item at 25. Now the first 25 frames of video are deleted. The video was supposed to start from the frame 30 on the timeline. However, since the first 25 frames of video are deleted, it will start playing from the frame 55, 25 frames behind. Let's play the video to verify. Let's input starting frame item and offset item. Set frame of timeline at 1. Set starting frame item at 30. Set offset item at 25. Let's render. Frame 1 to 5 display the first frame. The second part of the video is played from frame 56 to 105. From frame 106, it displays the last frame of video. Now, I want to explain other items. In Pastel Action, there is an item called Current Frame. This shows which frame is displayed on current timeline. It's useful when you want to adjust video texture in detail. Next, let's see the repeat checkbox below the offset item. If you check here, the video texture will be played repeatedly. It's useful to display something repetitive like a slot machine. Put the check as you need. When you check, the video will be displayed like this: first, second, third. Now, about a checkbox called Automatic Update. This is to update video display when timeline frame is changed. If you don't put check, the previous video frame will remain, so it's not very convenient for editing. So I recommend basically leaving this box checked. I've explained each settings of video texture. Thank you for watching.